Now moving on with the 1197, that is Sony radio. Should be, this is Sony, showing you this way. Sony TV and radio, very beautiful, very powerful radio. FX414B is the model. So confirming this 1197. 1198 is Telefunken PCR22. 1197 we have done. 1198 is Telefunken PCR22. This is 1198. This is the 1198 number and confirming the model now. 1198 done. 1198, this is Telefunken, and we shall confirm the model from the 1198. Confirming the model from back is PCR22 confirmed. Telefunken confirm 1198. Moving on to 1199 Lennox sound. 1199 is this Lennox sound. This is TV and radio band both. FM, MPX, Lennox sound 1198. Confirming the model is Lennox sound model TV36. Confirming the 1199 done. Now moving on to 1200 section. 1200 we have got this satellite radio, Satellite 2000. This is a unique radio from Grundig company. So confirming this Satellite 2000. 1200. Now 1201 is Grundig satellite again, but with different model. This is earlier was Satellite 2000. This is Transistor 5000 satellite with Grundig company only. 1201 is the number we have given, and its model is not mentioned. I think model is this only. Model is this only, Transistor 5000. So 1201 we have confirmed. Confirming 1202 is Sharp. This is 1202 is Sharp, and the model you should be confirming from behind. Model FB1710. This is model FB1710. So this is done. 1202. So pausing the video now. Done. 1203 we have found now. Oscar new radio, Oscar P5000 in list. Confirming the particulars. Oscar 1203 here, and 5000 model name is here, P5000. So confirming this all from list. 1203 is Oscar P5000 confirmed. Pause. So now continuing from 1204 now. 1204 JVC 3070CQ, and this is the photo. Confirming this from here, radio. Show the full photo. 1204 this one. 1204, and this is JVC written here. We are checking the model number. Checking the model number. Model number. What should be the model number? 3070CQ. Check for this here. This is here. Model number 3070CQ. So this we are confirming in list. 1204 confirmed. Now 1205 BPL Sangeet. This is 1205. This is 1205, and this is a BPL radio Sangeet. So confirming in list 1205 BPL Sangeet. And next is 1206. 1206 Paros radio coder. So now we have got this 1206 121206 1206. This is Paros radio coder, 8 transistor. Confirming this 1206. 1207 should be Philips PR190. Confirming this we have got Philips 1207 Philips, and confirming the model number is TR190. This is PR190. This we are confirming. And list also we have got 1207 PR190. Now 1208 Palladium Architel 955426. Confirming 1208. 1208 is this. 1208 Palladium. 1208 Palladium. And this is a very long unique radio. Show it full. So confirming this. 1208 Palladium Architel. 1209 Toshiba Transistor 10. 1209 we are confirming. This is 1209 and this is Toshiba and this is Transistor 10 model. So confirming in list also we have got 1209 Transistor 10 Toshiba. This is the photo confirmed. Moving on to 1210, it should be Bella Punket Lido. So now this is 1210 radio Bella Punket and it is Lido. Lido is written here. So this is a unique radio confirmed. 1210 list. 1210 confirmed. 1211 should be Sanyo RM6100. 1211. This is 1211. Sanyo is written here and model number is RM6100. So 1211 we have done. This is 1211 confirmed. 1212 should be National TR200E. 1211 we have got 1200. 1212 should be National TR200E. Where is 1212? So come to the video. Keep. This is 1212 is a radio plus TV. This is National 1212 is National TR200E. The photo we are confirming. Yes, this one is that radio. 1212 National TR. TR is the model number. So see here. This is National Model TR200E. Confirmed in list also. 1212 National TR200E confirmed. Photo and list. 1213. Moving on to the list. 1213 is this. This is 1213. So 1213 is Bush R500B. This is 1213 and it is a Bush radio. Bush R500E. 1213 done. 1213 done here. Now 1214. Moving on to Sony ICF 7600. 1214 is Sony 1214 Sony ICF 7600D. ICF 7600D receiver. So 1214 is confirmed. 1215 is Sanyo M1950H. This is 1215 Sanyo. 1215 Sanyo and model name 1950H. Now confirming from list. 1215 Sanyo M1950H confirmed. 1216 is Sony ICF 4900. See, checking this. So 1216 we have got. This is 1216 radio and it is a Sony. Confirming the model number. Model number we have got Sony ICF 4900. This is it. So confirm from list. Sony ICF 4900 confirmed 1216. 1217 is International 10 LED 2 band radio. This 1217 International is written here. It is a 10 LED 2 band receiver radio. 1217 we are confirming. 1218 Amsonic RS338. 1218 is this. 1218. Let's open the box. Amsonic. $1218 is a unique solar radio. Amsonic AS338 1218 Amsonic AS338. It should be A here, so confirming this. 1218 solar radio. 1218 done. 1219 Mason RP531 1219 Mason RP531. This is 1219 Mason RP531. This is done. 1219 done, confirming. 1220 we have got Sharp TR203, confirming. 1220 we have got Sharp and its model is TR203. It is from Japan. TR203 is here. Sharp. This is confirmed. Japan radio. Sharp 1220 confirmed. 12. Moving on to next page, we have got 1221 should be Victor VT830DL. 1221 we have got this. 1221 Victor VT830DL. So this is confirmed from list. We have got this here, confirmed. 1222 is Grundig Yachtboy 310. 1222, yes, we have got 1222 Grundig Yachtboy 310. So 1222 is confirmed. 1223 should be Kapoor Diamonds radio. This is 1223 unique radio by Kapoor Diamonds. So 1223 is confirmed. We have got this confirmation. Now we have got 1224 should be solid state 10 AITC. 1224 is this solid state 10 AITC. So this is a unique radio, confirming this. 1224 confirmed. 1225 Cube 3 542730. 1225 is this. 1225 Cube 3. This radio is unique and it opens this way. 1225. Checking for the model number. Unique radio. This is the Cube 3 analog clock radio, AM FM. So this one is confirmed. This is 1225 we are confirming and folding it back. 1225 Cube 3 radio confirmed. 1226 Kachibo KK8108 TT. 1226 is 1226 this one and confirming the company and main Kachibo KK808 confirmed. Kachibo is 1226. 1227 International H10 128. 1227 we have got this international. 1227 international, model number is H128. Kachibo, this is H10 128 international. 1227 confirmed. This one is we are marking here. Now we have got 1228 lifelong 845 radio. So seeing in here, this we have got 1228 lifelong. Checking for model. Yes, here we have got lifelong model 845 radio. So confirming this in list, lifelong 845 radio. Moving on to 1229 national camera radio. 1229 we have got this. 1229, it is a national company camera radio, very unique national camera radio. 1229. So we have got this one only, this information, a unique one. 1229. 1229. 1230 is Kachibo KK959. 1230 we have got 1230 Kachibo KK155 is this model. So confirming in list. 1230. 1231 is Caravan Mini Legends. This is very a very general radio, very famous in India. 1231 is Caravan Mini Legends. Showing the radio inside. So this is the radio, FM radio. 1231 Legends Caravan Mini. Caravan Mini is written here. So this one is confirmed. 1231 is confirmed. Marked. Moving on to next page, we have got 1232 Sierra Skylark radio. This is 1232 and this is Sierra and this is Skylark. Okay, so 1232 confirmed. Next is 1233 Philips Mini or 297. 1233 Philips. 1233 is Philips Minor 297. 1233 confirmed. 1233 confirmed. 1234 Philips AE 1000. 1234 Philips. This is again a unique radio. Show it full. Philips. 1234 Philips. Model we are showing. Model, where is the model number? Yes, here we have got model number AE 1000 self-powered radio. So this is done. This is 1234. We are done. 1235 Orchard 0OC61. 1235 we are seeing. So this is 1235 mini radio Orchard. So model we have got is 06C1 here. OC61. 1235 in list. 1235 OC61 confirmed. 1236 should be Sambule T961 radio. This is 1236. 1236 we have got. This is Junior T921 Sambule. So 1236 is also confirmed on list. 1237 should be Chroma Cray 3010. Now checking whether we got it on. Yeah, this is 1237 Chroma. 1237 Chroma. And for model we have to turn it around. And this we have got the tuner. This is the tuner in this. And this is the model CREY 3010 Chroma is done. CREY 3010. 1237 confirmed. 1238 JBL Intertrack 3196225. So this is again a mobile radio. We have to keep if a mobile is kept here, then it used to play songs and an FM, integrated FM it has got. So JBL is another. This is another unique radio from JBL. 1238 and AM FM is written here. AM FM speaker dock for iPod, iPhone on time. This is JBL and JBL Intertrack 3196225 is the model. So this is 3196225 Intertrack. This is confirmed. 1238 we are confirming. 1238 confirmed. 1239 iMode IP220 OUK. 1239 similar function radio but with different model and unique style. iMode is written here and here is the model iMode model IP220 UK. So confirming list 1239 we have got IP220 UK. 1239 done. 1240 Olympus TSU2. This is 1240 Olympus 1240 Olympus TSU2 confirmed. In list also 1240 Olympus TSU2 and this is the photo confirmed. 1241 is Sony ICF C218. 1241 we have got this. 1241 is Sony AM FM Sony Dream Machine Radio ICF C218. So 1241 confirming in list. In list we have got 1241 confirmed. 1242 now moving on to 1242 BIT BTSM 74 radio. This is BIT. This is sky blue color. 1242 BIT BTSM 74 confirming list. 1242 BIT BTSM 4 confirmed. 1243 Philips 61. 1243 Philips. 1243 Philips 061 portable radio confirmed. 1243 in list. 1243 confirmed. Now moving on to 1244 should be Sony Lex Xbox. So this is we have got 1244 Sony Lex Xbox radio. Sony Lex is written here. So 1244 is confirmed. 1244 confirmed. 1244 confirmed. 1245 should be AMCAT ROHS. Now checking. This is 1245 AMCAT ROHS radio. ROHS written here. Pocket. This is pocket radio again. So 1245 is confirmed. AMCAT 1245 confirmed. International World Multiband 800 1246. So this is 1246 International World Multiband MT 800. This is confirmed. So 1246 International World Multiband MT 800. 1247 is CTE SD radio. 1247 we have got this 1247 CTE XE SD radio XO007 radio. So 1247 confirmed. 1247 in list we have confirmed. 1248 TCM 223988. This is 1248 radio TCM and this is the model number 223988. So 1247 confirmed. A unique radio again. This is 1248. This was 1248 confirmed. 1249 should be Sony DigiCube ICF C120. So this is Sony. This is 1249 Sony DigiCube, and the model we are checking ICF C120. So confirming from list 1249 Sony DigiCube ICF C120 confirmed. It should be I here. 1250 should be Precision PS701. So 1250 we have got a unique radio and very small in size. 1250 Precision PS701 is confirmed. 1250 done. 1251 is Super Slim Tourist radio. So this we have got 1251 Super Slim Tourist. This is confirmed. 1251 in list. 1252 should be Naiva CRA S60 checking. 1252 we have got this 1252 Naiva CRAS60 CRAS60. This is confirmed. 1252 CRAS60. 1253 should be Philips AJ3150. Moving on to the next line. Philips, where it is Philips. Moving on to 1253. 1253 we have got this Philips. 1253 Philips AJ3150 is the model name. Confirming from list. 1253 we are done. Moving on to 1254 Kamal KE425. 1254 is this. 1254 is this Kamal and model. This is 1254. This is Camel. This is model number is this. We have KE425. So confirming from list. 1254 Kamal KE425 done. 1255 Silver 9 system checking. 1255. So this is 1255. This is 1255. This is 1255 9 system radio. 1255 Silver 9 system. 1255 Silver 9 system. It's a unique radio again. AM and FM are given here, and it has integrated TV also. So 1255 we are confirming. 1255 we are confirmed. Moving on to next one. 1256. This one. 1256 should be World DJ 101. So this is 1256 World DJ 101. So this is confirmed 1256. Moving on to next. It should be 1257 should be Sony ICF W77. So checking it. This is Sony. This is 1257 Sony, and checking the model number. It should be the model number should be ICF SW77. So checking behind Sony. Yeah, we have got Sony ICF SW77. So this is confirmed in list. Sony ICF SW77. So we have completed up to 1257. Now shutting it down.